think about protecting that for the future generations. That is very important. So we try to bring awareness in people, and we are so pleased to see there are so many organizations that are doing this. The Veg Food Festival was one of the big ones, but besides that, there is a farm sanctuary. There are several restaurants in Phoenix area now that serve vegetarian food. There are a lot of Indian vegetarian food restaurants, but beyond that, there are some Western vegetarian restaurants also. In downtown, there is a green restaurant, there is a vegan house. So it is getting popular. So we are not alone. 25 years ago, when I came to this country, students used to think, oh, we have to eat pepperoni pizza to survive. But that is not true, and it wasn't true back then. We always got some pizza, and today we have so many vegetarian food choices thanks to people like you that are supporting the organizations staying vegetarian, and you're also promoting the vegetarian movement. By coming here today, you are being an ambassador for protecting cows and expanding the vegetarian movement. Those of you that watch news might already know about a month ago, World Health Organization has finally declared, maybe after many years of resistance, that processed meats are bad for your health. Processed meats cause cancer. They were not able to announce it because of political reasons for many years, but finally they came out and they announced. So it is very important that people know about it. By eating vegetarian food, vegan food, we are not only helping the animals, but we are helping ourselves. So for health reasons, it is one motivation factor for a lot of people to become a vegetarian. So I would encourage you to let your friends know about these programs so that they can also participate. They can become healthy too. Then other thing is about the projects that we are trying to do here. Currently we have 4 cows. Some of you have seen the cows. The cows are Laila Rani is the eldest cow that we have. That is the mother cow that is giving some milk now. But we have 3 younger cows, younger bulls actually. The names are Krishna, Balaram and Shyamu. Shyamu was born last March, and he is our favorite cow. Then we have one more baby cow that is on this farm that is currently not in the Goshala program, but we are looking for sponsors to help us take the new baby born cow. Those of you that have seen the small baby cow there, we gave her a name called Kalindi. We are calling her Kalindi, and we are looking for sponsors to take care of that cow. So we want to rescue more cows. We have 4 cows only. It is a very small size sanctuary, but we want to grow to a much bigger place where we can all go at any time and get some milk products that are Ahimsa milk. And the other project we are trying to do is we are trying to train the bulls for plowing. Those of you older generation like me, those of you know that bulls were used as a primary source for plowing the land. So bulls were helping us growing our own food. So we want to train our bulls in plowing. So that is one project we have going, and we want to take more cows. And we also want to get a bigger sanctuary. The farm that we are in right now, it is owned by a very nice lady, and she is taking care of the cows. And our cows are being hosted here very nicely by her. But we want to grow to a bigger farm and maybe closer to the city if possible, so that people can come and visit more often. So those of you that haven't picked up this sheet, please make sure you pick up this sheet. These sheets are available at the front desk, and we have a few programs. Some of the programs are monthly support programs. For $31 you can support a cow. That's $1 a day. And we don't need like too many, I would say not very high amount, but for $1 a day you can sponsor a cow. And if you want to just do for 1 month, we really welcome that. We were looking for like Kalindi we can take in if you have the heart to support one cow. Then other things are we also do other festivals. Another major festival that we are doing that we want to announce is Holi. Holi festival we are going to do in Tempe, right in the middle of the city, in Kiwanis Park. That's on March 19th. It's also a Saturday. So please mark it on your calendar so you can be there. Holi, it's going to be a much bigger festival in Kiwanis Park on March 19th. That's our next festival. Those of you who haven't signed up at the front desk, please make sure that you sign up at the front desk so that we have your information so we can send you our newsletter and information about our upcoming festivals. So today we are going to start Rangoli competition pretty soon. Sridevi is going to run the Rangoli competition. The competition is going to happen on that side. And you can get the tickets at the front desk. So I see kite flying is going on. Then we will also have musical chairs after the kite flying and Rangoli festival. I also want to invite Pankaj Prabhu. Pankaj is the one that is financier. Goshala is a complete non-profit voluntary organization. We're all volunteers helping out here, and today we have got some more volunteers. People came from Scottsdale to help us volunteer at this festival, so really nice of them. We thank Renee at the front desk. She came all the way from North Scottsdale to volunteer at our festival. So please sign up and let us know if you would like to volunteer at future festivals. And every dollar that you give to Goshala, it goes towards protecting the cows. And we have a lot of donors that provide supplies, like the kites were donated by Satish Prabhu. So Satish gave us the kites, but all the money that you pay there are going to the Goshala program. Pankaj will give us some details on the different expenses that we take care of and how you can help us with the program. Thank you.
Hi Manu, how are you doing?